Financing your air conditioning installation. Options and advice for UK homes, 2025. Hi, I'm Reese Powell, Director of Operations at WarmZilla, and I wanted to talk to you today about why 2025 is the year to install air conditioning in your home, despite it not being common in the UK. The idea of a cool, comfortable home during those increasingly warm UK summers is incredibly appealing. Air conditioning offers a fantastic solution, transforming your living space into a haven of comfort. However, like any significant home improvement, installing air conditioning represents an investment. While the long-term benefits are clear, figuring out how to cover the initial outlay is a key consideration for many homeowners. This video is here to help. We'll guide you through the various ways UK homeowners can finance their air conditioning installation in 2025, offering options and advice to help you make an informed decision. Understanding the costs involved. Before diving into how to pay for it, it's essential to have a clear picture of what contributes to the total cost of an air conditioning system. This typically includes the AC unit or units themselves. The price will vary based on the type, example, wall-mounted split, multi-split, ducted, size, BTU rating, brand, and energy efficiency rating. Installation labor. This is a significant component, reflecting the skill and time required by certified F-gas engineers. Complexity, the number of units, and the property layout all play a part. Materials. This covers necessary pipework, wiring, brackets, and other installation sundries. Potential additional work. Sometimes minor electrical upgrades or remedial work might be needed to support the new system. Exploring your financing options. Once you have your quote, you can explore how to fund your new air conditioning system. Here are the common methods available to UK homeowners. Savings or personal funds. This is the most direct route. Paying for your AC installation outright using your savings means you own the system from day one without incurring any interest charges or debt. Pros: no interest payments, no debt, no monthly repayments. Cons: requires having sufficient available capital, which might deplete your emergency fund or savings earmarked for other goals. Credit cards. Using an existing credit card or taking out a new one can be a quick way to pay for your installation. Some cards offer introductory 0% interest periods on purchases, which can be beneficial if you can clear the balance within that timeframe. Pros: quick and convenient, flexible repayments, minimum payments, potential for rewards or cashback. Cons: standard interest rates, APRs, can be very high once any promotional period ends, potentially leading to expensive debt if not managed carefully. Minimum payments can mean it takes a long time to clear the debt.
If you're considering air conditioning but worried about the upfront cost, WarmZilla makes it easy with flexible financing options. Spread the cost of your air conditioning installation and keep your home cool without the big hit to your wallet. Click the link in the description to explore your options and get a quick, no-obligation quote. And if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. We're always happy to help.
Personal loans, home improvement loans. These are unsecured loans typically offered by banks, building societies, and online lenders. You borrow a fixed sum and repay it over an agreed period with fixed monthly payments. Pros: structured repayment plan makes budgeting easier. Interest rates are often lower than standard credit card rates. Fixed terms mean you know when the debt will be cleared. Cons: requires a successful application and credit check. Interest is still payable, and early repayment charges might apply with some lenders. Home equity loans or lines of credit, HELOC. If you're a homeowner with equity in your property, you might consider a home equity loan or a HELOC. This involves borrowing against the value of your home. Pros: can often allow you to borrow larger sums, potentially at lower interest rates than unsecured loans. Cons: your home is used as security, meaning it could be at risk if you fail to keep up with repayments. The application process can be more complex and may involve valuation fees. WarmZilla finance plans. Just like we offer for boilers, WarmZilla aims to make upgrading your home comfort as accessible as possible with flexible finance options for air conditioning installations. Our goal is to help you spread the cost of your new AC system into manageable monthly payments, fitting comfortably within your budget. Pros: tailored for AC, our finance plans are designed specifically for air conditioning purchases. Convenient application, often integrated with our quick online quote process. Manageable payments, spread the cost over an agreed term, making it easier to budget. Transparency, we believe in no hidden fees, providing clear terms from the outset. Fixed terms, know exactly how much you'll pay each month and when your plan will end. Cons subject to credit approval and status. Finance is provided for systems purchased and installed through WarmZilla. Our finance options are designed to be a smart, stress-free way to invest in your home's comfort without the burden of a large upfront cost. Government grants and incentives, UK focus. It's a common question. Are there any government grants to help with the cost of air conditioning? As of May 2025, the situation for UK homeowners is that most government incentive schemes, like the Boiler Upgrade Scheme BUS, are primarily focused on heating solutions, particularly low-carbon options like heat pumps. If your air conditioning system is a heat pump model capable of providing both cooling and efficient heating, it might meet some criteria for schemes aimed at decarbonising heat. However, grants specifically for systems intended only for cooling are generally not available. We always advise checking the latest information on the official UK government website gov.uk for any new schemes or changes to existing ones. However, it's best to assume that direct grants for cooling-only AC are unlikely. Frequently asked questions about financing air conditioning. Question 1. Can I finance both the air conditioning unit and the full installation cost? Yes, generally, finance plans, including those offered by WarmZilla, are designed to cover the total cost of the equipment and its professional installation. Question 2. What kind of repayment periods are typically available for air conditioning finance? Repayment terms can vary depending on the lender and the amount borrowed, but common periods range from 1 to 10 years. WarmZilla will outline available terms during the quote and finance application process. 3. Will a credit check be performed when I apply for finance? Yes, responsible lenders, including finance providers partnered with WarmZilla, will conduct a credit check as part of the application process to assess eligibility and affordability. 4. Are there interest-free credit options available for air conditioning? Sometimes, interest-free, 0% APR promotional offers may be available either through credit cards for a limited period or via specific retailer/installer finance deals. Always check the terms and conditions carefully, especially what happens when the interest-free period ends. Lastly, question 5. Does using a finance plan affect the warranty on my air conditioning system? No. Choosing to finance your system should not affect the manufacturer's warranty, provided the system is installed and maintained correctly by certified professionals as per the warranty terms. Financing your air conditioning installation doesn't have to be complicated. With WarmZilla, you can spread the cost and enjoy cool comfort all year round. Ready to take the next step? Click the link below to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or leave a comment if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.